friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you the recipe of ram laddu made by my mother. It will look very delicious. Let's go in kitchen. So these are the ingredients of our chutney. One spoon of curd, and mint means pudina, coriander, dhania, and radish leaves, chili, and amchur and salt powder as per your taste, and secret ingredient aloo bhujia, and juice of lemon asafoetida means hing. Now mix it well. It is a mixture of ram laddu, and now we will mix it well for 5 minutes. So our red chutney is also done. The ingredients of red chutney are tamarind and jaggery, roasted cumin seed powder, and black salt. It's looking very delicious. Now it is a preparation of making ram laddu. So our ram laddu both chutneys are ready, and this is grated radish and one green chili. So ram laddu is preparing. Now our ram laddu is ready, and now I am going to add grated radish on it, and we will add a spoon of chutney, green chutney, and a spoon of red chutney. It's all ready. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.